In today's video, I will teach you how to make a 3D photo for Facebook using Photopea. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photopea. Then click on File in the top menu and choose Open. Then select the photo that you want to turn into a 3D image. This will be your base image. Now we're going to create a depth map. A depth map is a grayscale image that shows how far each part of your photo is from the camera. The closer objects are to the camera, the lighter they should be, while further objects should be darker. Let's start with creating a new layer. Simply go to Layer, then New, then select Layer, or simply press the New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then reduce the opacity of the new layer to 50% so you can see the original image below it. Now select the brush tool or simply press B on your keyboard. Then choose various shades of gray from the color palette to represent different distances. Choose white for close objects, then black for far objects, and shades of gray in between for mid-range objects. Then begin painting on the new layer using the original image as a guide. You can also use selection tools like the lasso tool or the quick selection tool to isolate specific areas, ensuring you only paint within those regions. An optional step is installing a 3D Depth Viewer plugin. For this, go to Window, Plugins, and search for 3D Depth Viewer. Then install the plugin to preview your 3D photo. And ensure the original photo layer is visible. Then open the plugin and click Load Color. And click Load Depth in the 3D Viewer plugin. You'll see a preview of how your 3D photo will appear on Facebook. Then adjust the grayscale painting if necessary. And once you're satisfied, you can click on File, then Export As, then PNG, then save the file with its original name. Then make sure the depth map layer is active. Then go to File, then Export As, then PNG. Then save the file with underscore depth at the end of its name. And to post your 3D photo in Facebook, open Facebook, then start creating a new post, and select both the original color photo and the corresponding depth map. Facebook will automatically combine the two and generate the 3D photo. Then add any captions or additional content, then click Post. By following these steps, you can easily create a captivating 3D photo using Photopea. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.